If you want to know how to draw realistic faces quickly and easily from start to finish, then get the How to Draw Faces Step-by-Step Guide. You can become a better artist by getting this step-by-step guide. In this book, you will discover how to draw realistic faces, impress your friends and loved ones with your new realistic drawing skills, save money in learning how to draw realistic faces the right way without taking expensive classes or enrolling in a university, increase your marketability with your newfound talent to add to your resume. You can now draw your friends and loved ones or favorite celebrities' faces. You can even give personalized art as a gift to others and truly touch them. If you enjoy art, then this is an opportunity to learn how to draw realistic faces. Gain a new relaxing hobby of drawing realistic faces anytime, anywhere. Learn how to draw realistic faces the fast way in just a few steps per lesson. Discover the secrets of drawing realistic faces the easy way with many details in this illustrated step-by-step guide. Plus, many more insider realistic artist secrets to help you draw better realistic faces starting today with real results and improvement in just minutes a day. The book is separated by chapters, each of them tackling how to draw a specific type of face, and then is further structured with easy-to-follow steps for drawing a specific type of face. The many step-by-step actions all have illustrated guides for the reader's benefit. In short, everything you need to know about realistic drawing is inside this guide. Now, let How to Draw Faces help you start drawing faces better and faster starting today. Click Buy Now to get it now.